Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Porsche Cayman. First, always adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility and comfort. Ensure you can easily reach all pedals and controls. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, understanding where the gauges and essential buttons are located. Before starting, confirm the parking brake is engaged for safety. To begin, insert the key and turn it to the on position, then start the engine. With your left foot, fully depress the clutch pedal. Now, gently select first gear using the shifter. Before moving, ensure the parking brake is completely released. You are now ready to begin moving forward smoothly. As you accelerate, apply gentle throttle while slowly releasing the clutch to engage first gear. As your speed increases, shift to higher gears, matching the engine's revolutions per minute. Use smooth, deliberate movements for each gear change. When slowing down, practice rev matching for downshifts to maintain optimal control and smoothness. When you need to slow down or stop, apply the brake pedal smoothly and progressively. As your speed decreases, remember to downshift through the gears. Once you've reached your destination, engage the parking brake firmly to secure the vehicle. Finally, turn off the engine and remove the key, completing your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.